Hello everyone, especially to our Pastor David and to all sponsor out there. I'm Edelgrace P. Gabriel, 21 years of age. I'm part of Hope House Cebu Church since 2010 and it's been 10 years ago. All I can say is thank you for everything to Dave, of course to our superhero on earth, because God give us a good person like Tito Dave. I'm very thankful. We are very thankful that Pastor David never leave us and he never surrender to us whatever happened. And especially to all sponsor, keep helping, and keep helping to us, and God bless.